CEO jangka Election Commission ubah FR Kharkongor habasam ya kijing penkrek na kebentak election kebanuan hapok kejela ulang bahadin baladap bantep kerteng kidan haduk lai spa nyusan ngot ki kertong ha keba lai spa lai kendai ngot kide ki senrang bat lai pendrung ngot kide ki kentai ulang ru bahagian ki election kadan kijing per bak lebak na baro ki election baladap namar bah kadan kijing tap vote haki ki sam na kebentak ki temen ki kro bat ki bre ki badan kijing duna haki court man ke election commission kelap haru ya ki kenhun kinong peniai ya ki jing tap vote sya ki jaka nong kendong lasem kia ya kam ki jam baro khna mun pentikna ba unu nong tap vote un om sya e den layo priang hadu sopo perton ki bot pahara na ke MHA bat na ki election commission bat ru ya ki baro riu potli constituency bat ki khat art ki district jong ke jela ulo angru balakmi lenti yakin nyopo kendai telit na CRPF bakin wan sya kejela hadin baladap kijing tap vote ha Tripura kani kan long kijing
receiving 79 more companies to ensure that the polling is conducted in a free and fair manner and to instill confidence and also in the hearts of the voters that there should be no fear, there should be free and fair voting. We have about 399 critical polling stations and about 700 plus vulnerable locations. But of course, this is a dynamic scenario. It's a dynamic assessment because as the polls are drawing to the closer to the date of the polls, the situation might change or it might evolve.